3586 Fair Bluff Street. So we have tile at the entry, white walls. And it's very, very dark in this house, so the shutters do a good job of keeping the light out. Sorry.
Sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. Undermount sink, granite. That's a. What am I looking at? Stone tiled backsplash. Sliding plantation shutters. So this is one of the more private backyards because we're higher than the people behind us. Mostly 1 stories and trees to block some of the 2 stories. For Vegas, that's pretty good. Oof. I know I mentioned this in person, but we have someone who can replace carpet, fix the rollers on the sliding door, paint, so it just makes things a little less painless. It's a huge loft area. You don't usually see tile upstairs. Whoa. It's a different type of tile too. So that's a different type of tile than this, and different than this. Usually you want the tile, or at least as much of the flooring as possible, to be somewhat consistent. But it's about $5 a square foot to lay it on the second floor, add another $1.50 or so a square foot, and carpet's about $1.50 a square foot to install using our people. Wow, it's so dark everywhere. Pretty large rooms. This is stone tile. Yeah, I feel like the rooms are pretty large. Okay.